In this video, let's take a closer look at how the incremental copy feature can save you time when copying content and data that was modified or created since the last migration or copy. You just migrated a document library with thousands of documents to a brand new SharePoint site, but your users edited or created a few documents in the original site since then. Unfortunately, you don't have much time to compare both libraries and copy the missing items one by one. Instead, you can use ShareGate's incremental copy feature, either from the copy structure option or the copy content option. To do so from copy structure, connect your source and destination sites and select the structural elements you need to copy. Then head over to the advanced copy window and select the automatic mode. Finally, select the Copy If Newer option in the drop-down list below the automatic mode. This simple and powerful feature will let you migrate only the most recently modified documents that are newer than the ones already found in your new site. As for the Copy Content option, simply connect your source and destination and select all the items to copy from the source. Then, open the Advanced Copy window and follow the same steps as in the Copy Structure option. By the way, the same process applies if you want to use the incremental copy feature when copying content from file shares or Google Drive. Don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you need to, as it can be a real time saver in many situations.